Rahim, Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's lecture, we will discuss the behavior of the charged particle when it is moving in an electric field. So, for that purpose, we will draw an electric field. One is positive plate and negative plate, and electric field is directed in this direction naturally from positive to negative. Positive is at high potential, negative is at low potential. And we have considered arbitrary points. One is point A, point B, and then point C. And first thing which we need to understand is that this is delta VAB, okay, is equal to 0. Means if a charged particle move from A to B, there is no change in potential difference of due to its motion, okay. Because when a charged particle move in an electric field, its potential only changes if it moves in the direction of the field or in opposite direction of the field. If the charged particle is moving in the direction of the field, as we know that this is a low potential direction, this is a high potential direction. If the charged particle is moving in the direction of field, then its potential is decreasing, okay. And if a charged particle is moving opposite to the field, its potential is increasing. But if a charged particle is moving perpendicular to the field, then its potential is not decreasing and also not increasing, okay. So these 2 points are actually at the same potential. The two vertical points are at the same potential, because potential only changes if we move along the horizontal axis, okay. The second thing is that point C is not at higher potential. Yes, point C is not at higher potential. Point C is at lower potential than A and B, because A and B are near to the high potential plate, and C is away from the high potential plate. So as compared to A and B, C is at low potential. The third thing is that negative charge, when moved from A to B, there is no potential difference. As I told you that potential only changes if the particle move along the field, ठीक है. If they are moving perpendicular to the field, then their potential remains constant. Fourth thing is that VAC and VBC are equal, as the distance of point A from C is equal to the distance of point B from C, since they are at equal distance. So in this case, we say that potential between these 2 points is equal to potential between these 2 points. If we move perpendicular to the field, potential energy does not changes, so electric potential also not changes, ठीक है. We know that if a charged particle is moving in the direction of the field, it loses its potential energy, and we say that it has lowest electric potential. If a charged particle is moving away from the field, we know if a charged particle is moving against the field, we have to do work on that charged particle to move it against the field, and this work done is converted into the potential energy of the particle, and in this way potential energy of the particle increases and potential increases, okay. So if a particle is moving from A to B, its potential energy doesn't changes, so its electric potential is also constant. And one thing is that which is very necessary to understand: positive charge particles always move in the direction of the field, okay. So, let's suppose if we have one positive charge particle, and this plate repel this charge particle, and this plate attract this charge particle, so this charge particle always move in the direction of the field. While if we have a negative charge, how negative charge move in the field? They move against the direction of the field always, because negative charge repelled by this one plate and attract by this one plate, so naturally negative charge is moving in this direction, positive charge is moving in this direction. If we want to move the charge away from their natural motion, then we have to do some work on these charge particles, okay ji. Now we will discuss another topic, in which suppose that work done by the electric field on the charged particle to move it from A to B is this one: dW is equal to F dot ds. Okay, as there is ds means small distance, so we have to do small amount of work on the charged particle. Okay, and to understand this, let us consider a field like this. This is non-uniform field and the charged particle is moving from a to b. Okay, so to calculate the small amount of work, we divide its path into small path elements like ds, and we calculate the work done on the charged particle to move it a distance of ds, and we write this equation in this form. And if we calculate the work done on the charged particle to move it from a to b, okay, this is the work done to move charged particle a small distance ds. And if we want to calculate the work done on the charged particle from a to b, which is at some distance from each other, we integrate the whole path. Okay, mm, so for that purpose we integrate it from a to b, and since integration and differential cancel each other, so I cancel them out. And what is the electric force formula? That is q naught e ds. Write ds at as it is. Q naught is constant, take it out from the integration sign and divide it in this way. Okay, multiply both sides with negative sign, and I multiplied it. And since we know that work done on a unit charge gives you the potential difference, and I wrote the value of potential instead of this expression. And left side or right side of this equation remains same since there is delta v, so we can write it as vb minus va minus e dot ds. Okay, and I wrote here ds in the slides. There is written dl, so it's okay, it's a little bit different notation. ds or dl are same, it shows you the small distance. So we write instead of delta v, we wrote here dv now, and instead of ds, we wrote here dl now. And we also write this equation in this form: dv is equal to e dot dl, and dv by dl is equal to e. And what does this equation say? Tells us that electric field is equal to negative of gradient of potential. Means this equation showing us the direction of the electric field. So the electric field is always directed toward the negative, always directed toward the decreasing potential. Okay, negative sign shows you decreasing. This is gradient, means कि change in potential. Gradient, what is gradient? Gradient means change in something with respect to distance. So this is the gradient of potential, means potential is changing with respect to distance. The negative sign shows that electric field is directed toward decreasing potential, like this one. And this plate is at high potential, this is at low potential. Electric field is directed toward decreasing potential. It is nature, and we found this behavior experimentally. Okay ji, we write this equation in this form also: dl is equal to dx is equal to e. This is another unit of energy. Up till now we discussed the unit of energy as joule. This is another unit of energy also, that is electron volt. What is electron volt? Electron volt is actually the energy which acquired by the electron when it move through a potential difference of 1 volt. Okay, electron volt is the smallest unit of energy, and electron volt is equal to 1.6 exponent minus 19 joule. Joule is a bigger unit of energy, and when we are dealing with subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutrons, etc., we use electron volt energy. Okay, so this is the lecture. I hope you understand this lecture, and thank you so much for watching.